Hi friends, welcome back to Bhau-Automation Lab once again. Let's continue this session related to the action class in Selenium. Okay, so in the previous session, we have already learned how to perform the mouse over action using action class on the web element, how to drag and drop the element into the web element using action class, and how to perform click action using action class. Okay, so in this lecture, let's continue related to next topic related to the action class, and in this session, let's try to learn how to perform right click action using action class in the and Selenium WebDriver. So to perform the right click action on the any web element, we need to use the context click method. In this and target element, we need to pass that to perform the right click action on the specific web element. Okay. So syntax here is the action.contextClicks and target web element will dot perform. This is the syntax, okay, to perform this action. So to learn this concept practically, let's go to the our website again, and here we have one button which name as a right click. Okay, so guys, if you not watched previously 2-3 sessions which we have I have already explained like how to register on this website, and to practicing purpose we need to register on this website clicking on this registered link, and after that you need to log in on this website so that this all the practice page and everything it's visible for you to practicing purpose. Okay, so watch first video and then come to this sessions. Okay, watch 3 videos and then come to this session, so it will be helpful for you. So this is the one button where we have, if I clicked here left clicked, so it will not work, but if I done the right click on this button, it will show me the message like right clicked on this button, right? So we need to perform the right click action on this button using Selenium WebDriver and action class. So how to do this practically, let's see here. So here right click action using right click on, let's say, element using action class. Okay, let's do this practically. So we have already created the object related to the action class, so we need to use contextClick method to perform the right click on that. So first of all, let's inspect this element, and so this is the ID for this right click button. Okay, we'll just copy this one and store it into the one web element right click button is equal to, let's say, driver dot find element by we are doing we have just captured this ID, so let's capture this ID and store it into the one web element. After that, using action class object, let's say action dot context click. So we need to take this method web element targeted element, and we need to pass this element as here, and after that just like a build dot perform, right? Okay, once we have performed this action, we need to capture the message which is displayed on the website whenever we right click on the button. Okay, so let's copy the message ID from here. Okay, and we need to capture that message. So we are getting the text of that particular element, so return type is string, right? String, let's say right click message is equal to, let's say, driver dot find element by dot id, and after that let's pass that ID here and then dot get text, right? So using the get text method, we are capturing that message which is displayed on the website once we right click on that particular button. Okay, and here system dot out dot println, let's say right click message, okay, is equal to plus this right clicked message, right? Once you write, okay, that's enough, no need to provide more instruction here. Right clicked message, once you right clicked on the button, right? So we can type that like that, once you right clicked on button. Okay, so this is the message which we need to display once we right clicked on that particular button. So let's run this program and see whether we are able to right click on that particular button or not. So it's launched Bhau-Automation Lab. It should be close that pop-up. Okay, and it should be login with correct username and password, right? Once we log in the website, which should be hover on that particular my account web element, and then go to the Selenium practice page. It's drag and drop, and it's right clicked on the button, and its message also displayed here, and we have captured that message successfully. So this is how we can right click on that particular button using Selenium WebDriver and action class. Okay, if you have any doubt related to this, you can simply comment out me. I'll give all the answers related to all this topic related to the action class. Okay, so let's continue this session actually in the next next session as well. Till time practice for all these concepts. Let's meet in next chapter. Till time, have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.